Okay, so in just a few weeks, my first ever AI SaaS tool is going to be released. And within this video, I really just want to break down how I'm going to be preparing for it and ensure that I can scale it to seven figures as quickly as possible. And in case you don't know who I am, hello, my name's Joseph. And before running a software company, well, I guess you could say building as it's not launched yet, I was running a pretty successful agency, content agency. So I was able to scale that to 50K per month. But the main problem that came with this is that every single client I signed, it wasn't that my profit increased. I had to go and hire a bunch of new editors, script writers. So as my revenue increased, my profit didn't too much due to how many people I had to hire. You know, if you check back on my other videos, I really break this down in a lot more detail. And because of this, I wasn't really happy with the business. I was only making 50K per month, but I had so many team members and I wasn't really making a profit, which I deserve for the amount of work I was putting in. So that's when I took a step back and I was really just considering, I was like, okay, what can I do? I identified a trend, AI. So then I started seeing a bunch of competitors of mine also taking advantage of AI when it came to content. But this is where the problem came in. They were only selling single entity solutions, so just an AI editor, AI scriptwriter, competitor analysis, and this is where I identified a key USP within the market, being able to centralize all of this into one tool. Because of course, this is going to save people time and money. Because with these single entities, you still need to spend money signing up to multiple subscriptions, and it's also pretty timely having to swap between different applications. And if you're going to also throw team members into the mix, that's even more time you're going to spend on it, and it's going to cost you even more. So that's kind of a basis of Fusion AI and really the value it's going to bring to the world. So let me now run you through exactly how I'm going to be preparing to launch this. So to best run you through it, I've decided to go into a Miro board. By the way, my laptop's here, the camera's here, hence why I'm looking over this way. And as you can see, it's currently a blank Miro board. And this is because I want to just draw it out for you, because I truly believe that no matter what industry you're in, if you're about to launch something, whether this is a software, an info product, a course, whatever it is, this video is going to be extremely valuable to you. Okay, so to start off with, the main thing which really matters is getting Fusion AI out to as many people as humanly possible. What you need to understand is right now we are bootstrapped. Bootstrap basically means that we have no venture funded behind us. So this is all coming out of my money, the money I made from my agency. I'm putting into this. I have another video where I further break this down. Because of this, right now I cannot do ads. Like I simply just can't really afford to do ads. The reason behind this, especially when it comes to a software, is that so right now there's two prices for my software, so $49 and $99, depending on what plan you decide to go with. Let's say cost per acquisition for my software, because the thing is, once again, we have no proof of concept on how much it's going to cost for someone to be able to buy it off us in ad spend. Let's say my cost per acquisition is $120. This means I need to keep a client for 2 months over here to make a profit, here over 3 months. I don't know if I'm able to do that yet, just down to the... Sorry, I'm going to turn this light off, it keeps flashing. I don't know if I'm able to do that yet, just down to the fact that I have no proof of concept, and this is why ads right now is completely off the table. If you are running something higher ticket, such as an agency or an info product, let's say you're charging anywhere between 3 to 5K, what I would suggest doing is once you get your first client, first sign up, to start running ads, because then you have proof of concept and you know what you're actually selling works. But until then, I would suggest going about these routes. Same with the software. So as we know, this is completely off the cards for me. I'm going around an affiliate method, okay? So how it's going to work with my affiliate offer is, I hope I spelled that right. We have pretty much the best entire affiliate offer on the entire market. So we are offering right now to all our affiliates, well at launch, 45% passive recurring commission. So let's say as an example, they sign up for, they help us sign up someone who stays with us for 12 months. So this is meant to be a calendar. Imagine each month, every single month, they're going to get 45% of that completely passive. So they have to do pretty much no work at all, besides maybe making a few videos per month. But here comes the main bottleneck, and this is what I'm really trying to consider is, like, yes, of course we have the best affiliate offer on the entire market, but how can we create some sort of culture which is really going to empower people to want to take action and actually because this is the thing. There's a difference between someone deciding to take action and sign up, and someone signing up, but someone actually making the effort to be able to promote it. And this is what I feel like we're going to see. Obviously, touch wood, it doesn't happen, but I feel like it is going to happen. Is we're just going to see a bunch of people sign up, but very few are going to take action and start promoting it. So this is what I've been really spending a lot of my time doing right now, really reflecting and considering how on earth can I make someone want to sign up and actively want to promote it. So in order for us to be able to solve this, what I've actually been doing is creating quite a lot of different resources. So I want to show you some of the resources we've been making. Okay, so as you can see, here's one of the resources, and essentially what we're doing is we're making tons of really cool videos, setting up tons of really amazing landing pages to really empower and promote people to do it. Alongside this, and I'll show you in a second actually, we're also giving away some really awesome prizes on top of just a 45% commission. So let me show you this video now.
If you want to earn 45% commission for life just by promoting Fusion AI to your audience and clients, listen up. We've just launched our affiliate program, and it's the most generous on the market. Every sale you bring in, you get 45% recurring commission every month for as long as that user stays subscribed, meaning you get passive income each month on autopilot. But that's not all. Each month, we're running exclusive challenges where you can win cool prizes on top of your passive commission, like trips, Rolexes, even more cash, and so much more. Signing up is simple. Go to gofusion.ai/affiliate or message us the word affiliate, and we'll send you a link to get started, where you can sign up in a matter of minutes and start sharing your unique link. Plus, you'll get access to your own affiliate portal, so you can track earnings, compete with other affiliates on our leaderboards, and access resources to maximize your commissions. See you inside.
So as you can see, it's a pretty cool video, and we're going to be having this on our landing page, okay? So this is going to get people to do it. But what they also get as well is, and this is what I'm about to show you now, they have access to their very own affiliate hub. So this is where we have a leaderboard. So essentially all our affiliates are able to compete with each other. I feel like maybe for the first month of us launching Fusion AI, this is going to be pretty obsolete, just down to the fact that I'm unable to predict how many affiliates we're going to get for the first month. But over time, as we grow, and let's say we get 1,000, 2,000 affiliates, then being able to compete with each other's, I believe, further going to enforce people to actually take action and want to promote it, because they're going to want to win the prizes. Like if we scroll back, and I'm being deadly serious about this, I'm not just, just saying some random things to get people to sign up. I actually plan to give away trips, Rolexes, cash, on top of everything else, because I feel like the whole entire goal is to really just create an amazing community that people want to be part of when it comes to the affiliate scheme. So this is one of the main videos we're going to be using to promote it. And I also now just want to show you what the Fusion AI affiliate hub looks like. But before we do that, to kind of just reflect, as you can see, when it comes to the marketing side, and I know this is probably the most unprofessional Miro board video you've seen in a while, but it could be the most valuable. I don't know. So ads is completely off the table just because right now we have no quantifiable information on how much it costs to sign a client. So that's why we're going with affiliate. And yeah, we have a bunch of these sponsorship videos to be able to do it. And when it comes to finding potential affiliates, so right now my operations manager, who was the ops manager for my agency, but we don't really have many clients anymore because we haven't been marketing for the last 5 months. So that job literally takes him about 2-3 hours a day for the existing clients. He's using the rest of his time to go about finding potential affiliates for us to be able to reach out to when Fusion AI launches. So we don't particularly have a certain niche on who we're targeting. You know, the specific trend most people do go for is business coaches, and it's what all our competitors also go for. But the thing is it's too crowded right there. And because there's so many people reaching out to them, they're going to have leverage on us, especially if they have a few 100,000 followers. They're going to be able to charge us. But we don't particularly want to be paying people to promote it. We want to reward people through the affiliate scheme. So that's why we also need to be pretty clever and find a bunch of other niches. And once we do launch it, basically how it's going to work is we're going to message them on Instagram, LinkedIn. We're also going to email them, okay? So it's going to be like bang, bang, bang. And then we're just going to be sending up a bunch of follow-up schemes. It's really annoying. So when it comes to LinkedIn and no, sorry, that's a lie. Just Instagram. So when it comes to Instagram, you can't automate these follow-ups because Instagram's API restricts it, which is particularly annoying. So thankfully for this, we can create some sort of follow-up workflow, but I need to hire someone to be sending out all these follow-ups, which is very, very annoying. But that's essentially what we're going to be doing though. As you can see, we're promoting a 45% commission to them. We're then reaching out to them. We're then going to be showing them this video to further nurture them. And from here, we're going to be showing them all our core resources. So let me quickly walk you through how our Fusion AI affiliate hub looks. Okay, so we're now onto the affiliate hub. And as you can see, it's pretty clean. So what it does is essentially it's going to show all the winners here. I don't have a clue why it says May. I guess we'll never know. But this is where we're going to be putting all the different prices. We yet haven't decided what the first prices are going to be. They're probably, well, not probably, they are not going to be as good as I want them to be for maybe the first month or second month, just because, like I said, I'm bootstrapped. I've put most of my money into the software. I can't really afford to be buying someone a Rolex right now. So we're not going to be, they're still going to be maybe $1,000, $2,000. So it's not like, oh, this is terrible. I mean, it's still pretty good money, but it's not going to be amazing prizes. And then we also have the leaderboards, as you can see here, but of course that's coming soon. We have our help and support, so users can watch tutorials, email support us, join our Slack community. And then what's gonna, as you can see here, this is where we have all our brand assets. So it's really cool. We have like PDFs embedded into it. We have all our different marketing materials here for them to use. They can also watch videos and demos. I haven't yet made any videos, so this was just a placeholder just to make sure that Loom actually worked. And here's like a commission breakdown for them. So as you can see, even if a new user only got, even if affiliate, only got 50 new people every single month, that this is us considering that they're also retaining those 50 every single month. By the end of the year, they would be making almost $30,000 per month with us from literally doing nothing, which is pretty good money. It's more than most people who are working 16, 17 hours a day. So this is really how we're empowering people to be able to do it with our affiliate hub. So if I kind of just go back once again, just to give you the overview. So our main marketing scheme is going to be affiliate. I have someone currently finding potential leads from here, and then I'm going to hire someone else. Well, I have hired someone else. She just hasn't started yet to be sending messages, personalized messages to these leads from here. If they reply, we're going to nurture them with all our resources. If they're really good as well, and we really want to get them on board, we're also going to be giving them free access to Fusion AI. And then finally, we're just going to get them onboarded. And this is probably where we're then going to be faced with the bottleneck of how can we empower them to want to make videos. But once we get to that problem, we'll go over it. So this is really going to be the marketing. And then when it comes to the back end stuff, depending on how techie you are, essentially what my developers are currently implementing at the moment is different APIs to be able to track the different sort of usage. So when we do launch, we can see which features are obsolete and which features our users truly care about. There's an application called Hotjar, which allows us to do this. It's pretty cheap. I think it's like $45 a month. And it's just going to see, okay, there's a lot of usage here. Of course, Firebase, this is like a Google Cloud storage place, is going to also help us to be able to identify that. So that's how we're going about it. I'm currently myself taking a lot of calls with a lot of people, a lot of big names, like even clients, because, with my content agency, we never really worked for people who weren't making much money. Like minimum, they were probably doing about 8 million plus a year. Like we were working with some big boy names. And so I've got a few of them on a call with me to really just show them the vision. They love it. I've told them about the affiliate program. They're very much on board because they have so many clients. So literally no effort at all, just telling their clients about it. They could easily make $8,000 to $10,000 overnight just passive. And no matter how rich you are, $10,000 extra a month for doing nothing, it's a lot of money. So that's why I'm very excited about that. We're also building out the backend workflows. So this is essentially going to be like follow-ups. So let's say, someone downgrades their plan or someone stops working with us, we can send them follow-ups to be able to further nurture them. We're also making email sequences to get people to go from our standard plan to unlimited plan. So currently everything's going really well and it's in the works. But yeah, I really just wanted to give this overview and I really hope it's helped. Like if you're starting anything and you do not have the money or you have a very limited amount of money, I really beg you to not start ads. I made a mistake when it came to my agency. I blew about this just isn't only on ad spend, this is also on coaching for the ads. I probably spent about $8,000 on ads and I didn't ever sign a single client. Okay, that is crazy. And this is because, I didn't really have the money to keep going. And plus, cold DMs was like crushing it for us. That's how we signed all our people. So I really just beg you, if you're starting out anything, go about different methods to acquire clients, whether this is a software, you want to do an affiliate method, whether you're an agency, info product owner, and you want to do cold DMs. Just wait until you have proof of concept before you start ads and ensure that you're building out everything on the back end. And make sure, like somehow, as you can see what I've done with the Fusion AI Hub, make it just seem like anything you do a lot more superior and a lot more professional. So even though the Fusion AI Hub did take a long time to build, I feel like it's going to pay a lot of dividends down the line because no one else has this. None of our competitors. So it's just further going to help to nurture people and make them see us as the best. But I thank you for watching this video. As you can see, it's a pretty unprofessional video. I don't really like planning them out. Well, most of my videos anyway. If something just comes on my heart, I want to speak about it. And today I just want to speak about how we're getting ready for the launch of Fusion AI. If you further want to check out Fusion AI, feel free to sign up to my waitlist below. Completely free to do so, or watch some of my other videos where I actually show Fusion AI in action. If you like these types of videos, like very unplanned, very overall, like it's not even organized, let me know because I really enjoy drawing these out. It's fun and it's going to give me the time to actually release more videos. But thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to sign up to the Fusion AI waitlist if you create any sort of content at all. Thank you so much.